How to create business paper on Word Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a business paper on Word Mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Word and then click this one in top corner, this plus icon, and then all you need to do is just go down and you will find this one here, business paper. Click on it, and as you see, business paper has been created. And then here you can change anything you want, and then just click these 3 points and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.